I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to stop your iPhone or iPad from suggesting strong passwords. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down to the bottom of this menu and then tap Apps. You'll see a list of all of the apps installed on your device. Step 2. Tap Passwords in this list. Step 3. Find Suggest Strong Passwords in this menu, and then tap to toggle that option off. Going forward, your iPhone or iPad will no longer suggest unique, strong passwords when it detects that you're creating new accounts or changing passwords in Safari and other apps. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.